Strategies of world-class manufacturing. 1. Continuous improvement. Implementing a culture of continuous improvement to drive ongoing enhancements in processes, products, and systems. 2. Lean manufacturing. Adopting lean principles to eliminate waste, optimize resource utilization, and improve overall efficiency. 3. Total quality management, TQM, emphasizing a relentless focus on quality by involving all employees in quality improvement initiatives and ensuring customer satisfaction. 4. Standardization. Implementing standardized processes and procedures to ensure consistency, efficiency, and ease of replication across the organization. 5. Employee empowerment. Encouraging and empowering employees to contribute ideas, take ownership of their work, and participate in decision-making processes. 6. Supply chain collaboration. Establishing strong partnerships and collaboration with suppliers to enhance supply chain efficiency, quality, and responsiveness. 7. Technology integration. Leveraging advanced technologies such as automation, robotics, and data analytics to improve productivity, accuracy, and decision-making capabilities. 8. Total productive maintenance, TPM. Implementing TPM practices to optimize equipment effectiveness, minimize downtime, and ensure proactive maintenance. 9. Just-in-time, JIT production. Adopting JIT principles to minimize inventory levels, reduce lead times, and synchronize production with customer demands. 10. Cross-functional teams. Encouraging collaboration and teamwork across different functions and departments to drive innovation, problem-solving, and process improvement. 11. Customer focus. Placing a strong emphasis on understanding and meeting customer needs, preferences, and expectations through personalized products and services. 12. Training and development. Investing in employee training and development programs to enhance skills, knowledge, and capabilities aligned with WCM principles. 13. Visual management. Implementing visual tools, such as Kanban boards and performance dashboards, to enhance communication, monitoring, and decision-making processes. 14. Value stream mapping. Conducting value stream mapping to identify and eliminate non-value added activities, streamline processes, and improve overall flow. 15. Continuous training. Providing ongoing training and education to employees to ensure they have the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their tasks effectively. 16. Error-proofing, Yoke, implementing error-proofing techniques and devices to prevent mistakes, defects, and errors from occurring in the production process. 17. Total employee involvement, encouraging all employees to contribute to WCM initiatives and participate in problem-solving and decision-making processes. 18. Data-driven decision-making, using data and analytics to drive decision-making processes, identify improvement opportunities, and measure performance against targets. 19. Value chain optimization, optimizing the entire value chain, from raw material sourcing to customer delivery, to maximize efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. 20. Benchmarking and best practices, continuously benchmarking against industry leaders and adopting best practices to drive performance improvement and stay competitive in the market.